Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Revolut to Bank of Ireland. So what we'll need to do is just go right here where it says payments, click on that one, then select the plus icon near the calendar as you can see right here. After that, select it is international or bank transfer, so select one of those, and here put the Ireland country. So as you can see, it needs to country, region of recipient's account. So select that, select the right and proper currency, put the IBAN and all the required important information. So that's pretty much it. After clicking on this white arrow, you will be able to put the amount that you want to send, and that's how you do a transfer from Revolut to Bank of Ireland. See you in the next one.